We'll guide you through how to use the ChatGPT voice feature. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not, click on the login button and enter your credentials. After logging in, you will see the main interface of ChatGPT. To access the voice feature, look for the microphone icon, which is usually located near the chat input box. Click on the microphone icon to enable voice input. If it's your first time using this feature, your browser might prompt you to allow microphone access. Make sure you click allow to grant permission. Now you can start speaking into your device's microphone, and ChatGPT will transcribe your speech into text in real time. This is incredibly handy if you prefer speaking over typing or if you're multitasking. To ensure the best experience, speak clearly and at a moderate pace. If you're using an external microphone, make sure it's properly connected and configured. Most modern web browsers like Chrome or Firefox will support this feature without additional plugins. If you encounter any issues, try refreshing the page or checking your browser settings to confirm microphone access is enabled. Remember, this feature is designed to make your interaction with ChatGPT more natural and efficient. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.